In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply Gaussian blur in DaVinci Resolve 20 step by step so you can soften footage, create a clean blur effect, and keep full control over how the final result looks. Whether you want to blur a background, hide details, or create a polished visual effect, this is a simple tool that can make a big difference in your edit. And if this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to the edit page. From here, select the landscape clip you want to apply the blur to. Make sure the clip is highlighted so the effect is added to the correct piece of footage. If you're working with multiple clips on the timeline, take a second to confirm you've chosen the right one before moving forward. Next, open the effects library. You can usually find this on the top left side of the interface. Once the effects library is open, look for the Gaussian blur effect. After you find it, simply drag and drop Gaussian blur onto your selected clip in the timeline. As soon as you apply it, the effect is attached to that clip and you're ready to start adjusting the settings. Now, move over to the inspector panel. If the inspector isn't visible, click it to open the controls for your selected clip. Inside the inspector, click the Effects tab. This is where all the Gaussian blur controls will appear, and this is where you'll fine-tune the blur to get the look you want. One of the first things you'll want to do is check the box for split, horizontal, and vertical. This gives you separate control over each blur direction instead of using one single blur amount for both actions. That means you can blur horizontally, vertically, or balance both depending on the style you're going for. This is especially helpful if you want a more customized or subtle effect. After that, adjust the horizontal strength and vertical strength sliders. These sliders control how strong the blur is in each direction. If you want a light blur, keep the values low. If you want a more dramatic blur, increase them more. Take your time here and preview the footage as you adjust, because even small changes can make a big visual difference. If you're blurring a background, you may want stronger settings. If you're just softening part of an image, a lighter blur usually works better. Once the basic blur is set, scroll down and expand the advanced control section. Here, you'll find the border type option. Set the border type to replicate. This is an important step because it helps prevent black edges from appearing around the footage when the blur spreads beyond the frame. Replicate extends the edge pixels, which keeps the image looking cleaner and more natural. After that, expand the global blend section. This is where you can control how much of the blur effect is mixed with the original footage. Use the blend slider to find the right balance between the sharp image and the blurred version. If you want full blur, keep the blend higher. If you want a softer, more natural look, reduce the blend so some of the original footage still shows through. This is a great way to make the effect feel more cinematic and less harsh. At this point, you've successfully added Gaussian blur to your clip and customized it using the most important controls. You can go back and fine-tune the sliders anytime until the blur looks exactly how you want. The best approach is to preview the clip, watch how the blur affects motion and detail, and make small adjustments until it feels right for your project. And that's how to use Gaussian blur in DaVinci Resolve 20. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.